morning, Toadie. Good morning, Zenith. Good morning, Epsiba. Good morning, Shelley. Good morning, Shegu. Good morning, Shile. Good morning, Tahira. Good morning, Farake. Good morning, everyone. How are you doing today? Emmanuel, I hope you are doing well. Great, I trust you. So today I'm so excited to be here. Those of you have not called your name, don't worry. This is Sunday we call all of you. So just relax, ready for the fun ride. So today we are going to write our letter sounds from A to Z. Before we do that, we're going to say our sounds. I hope you are ready for me. Do you remember we used to say it in the class? We're going to go fast. Are you ready? Nifemi, are you ready? Are you ready to go? Okay, now let's go together. Everybody, 1, 2, go. A, K, F, K, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Z. Beautiful. But I did not hear some people's voices. David, I did not hear you. I did not hear you, Shino. So we are going to do it again. Erioluwa, let's go. Now we're going to go gently. Are you ready for me now? Okay, Princess Diamond, let's go. A, B, K, D, E, F, K, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, Q, R, S, T, U, Z. Beautiful. Wow. So we're going to write on the board. I'm going to the board now. Get your book, get your pencil, and write. Okay. So we're going to write now. The first letter sound. You know, I told you that whenever you're writing, you should be saying it again and again so that you remember what is the next one to write. So we'll do the same thing too. So we write A. Write a curve, take it up, come down, and give it a small flip. Can you see this now? So okay, let's write again. Look at me. Write a curve, take it up, come down, and give it a small flip. Beautiful. So what is the next one after? Ball. Good. That means this one is what? Ball. So what do you do with a ball? You write a big stroke, and you curve it this way. Can you see? Ball. A big stroke, you take it up and you curve it. Ball. So this one is what? So let's go. Cool. A curve. So what's the next one? D. Beautiful. How do I write D? As if I'm writing. You are writing a curve again. Then you do what? Give it a big stroke. Then you come down and give it a small flip. Can you see? D. The next one is So let's write. Don't forget, I told you start that with what? A dash. Sorry, I need to make this better. Okay. A dash. Now, at the end, you take it up a little. You come down. Can you see that? The next one is. So let's write that. That's so simple. Come up this way and give it a small flip. Can you see that? Okay. So that one the same way, a small curve, as if we are writing take it up and you come down, you give it a tail. Dot. Ah, b, k, d, eh. What's the next one? Okay, I'm going to write it here. So, can we start? We start with a stroke. Take it up and you come down with a small flick. E. So I'm writing E. Now let's go a stroke. You give it a small flip and a dot. E. Okay, can we do that? Now let's go. And you give it a flip. You put a dot. E. The next one is what? Can we try and write that? The same way with what? A stroke. Now you go up this way. This one, I know this one always give you stress, but don't worry, you will get to know how to write it with time. So just write a stroke, okay, and do this way and give it a small flip. After so what I have here is what? Very simple also. A stroke. And you give it a flip. The next one is The mom and dad makes many meal. The mom and dad makes many meal for their hungry children. So that one is very simple. So let's go. You start also with a stroke. Now you take it up, come down. Take it up and you come down. Then give it a small flick. Emmanuel. The next one is what? Let's go from the beginning. Let's say it again. Okay, correct. The same way with for this one, you just take it up and come down once. Can you see? And the next one is